So yesterday we are talking about ideally shell. When we install Python, by default ideally will come, but ideally we'll have two kind of procedure. One is the shell mode, one is the bash mode. So in shell mode, we done simple operations like arithmetic operators and all, and we done with the print function also. And whatever the code you want, you can write it. For example, I want to give the emp name. So let me give the emp name. So let me close the shell now, and I want to open the things like search for ideally. So ideally we'll have the command line mode. Command line mode is line by line process, right? Command mode or shell mode. Shell mode or command mode is line by line execution. But coming to the bash mode, so what is the bash mode and how to work with the bash mode? We will see the bash mode now. So open ideally again and create a new file. Let me show. Open ideally again. I'm trying to opening ideally one more time. And this time I'm going to file and new file. Go to file and new file. File, new file. Then save as some file name dot py. Next point. Write all the Python code. And run module, run program. Okay, I will show how this is going to be available. So these are the steps you have to follow. Open ideally, file, new file, save as file name.py. Whatever the file name you want, you can provide it. The name of the file should be. So I will tell you how to create a file name and all. Now let's go to the ideally here. Go to the file and take a new file over there and save the file. Save as. I'm saving this file on top of desktop. Let me go to desktop. On top of desktop, I'm saving the file. So this should be something like a file.py. The format is file.py. I'm saving the format. Yeah. Now I'm trying to writing some lines of the code. So print hello Python. And one more thing, print Python used for develop web applications. And one more print Python used for develop DS applications, data science applications. Okay. I'm trying to writing a lot of prints here. Suppose I'm giving the name also, name Srinivas, and print name. Print name is Sama. Yeah, fine. So now I'm writing 4 to 5 lines of the code here. Finally, I need to save the file. Go to file and save, or Control S or Command S. Command S in Mac, Control S in the Windows machine. Then what you need to do is go to the run and click on the run module or F5. When I click on run module, when I go for the F5, automatically the total code was executed. So hello Python is the first output. Hello Python is the first output, and Python used for develop web application second output. Python used for develop DS application is the third output, and name is Srinivas. How many prints we got now? Totally 4 prints we got now. First print hello Python, second print hello Python used for develop web application, third print for Python used for develop DS applications, and fourth print for name is Srinivas kind of things. So these are the 4 different prints we have. For example, I want to go with the addition program. X is equal to 10. Let me go. X value stored with the 10 and y value stored with 20, and z value is equal to x plus y, and let me go with the z value. So z value or addition So we are working with addition, right? Addition is Z, right? I'm trying to working with the one more print now. See, after saving the program, then only you have to run the program. First to save the program, then go and run. Just go with run or F5. Go with the F5. When you click on the run module, now one more print got added. Hello Python already there. Python used for develop web applications are there, and Python used for develop DS applications is there, and name is Srinivas is there, and addition is 30. In this way, you can write ideally batch mode application. And batch mode, remember one point, compulsory file need to saved with .py format. And run program or run module, here run module is, you can go for the F5 also. So every time after adding the content, after adding source, after adding code, save and run again. Save, run again. This is the important thing for the run module process. We'll continue with the Sublime text editor or PyCharm Anaconda navigator in the coming session.